So later today we're going to talk about the fit and flare dress. And the fit and flare dress tunic, we're going to do all kinds of different versions of it. I really wanted to give you some fabrics that would be fabulous with it. Number one, this is a Scuba. It's a royal blue Scuba. It's a cotton poly blend. And this texture and this weight is what so many are being made out of. They have a little bit of automatic grace to them, and they just work really, really well. So all of these fabrics today are going to be $14.99. So I just want to show you how beautiful some of these fabrics can be in a fit and flare. I'm going to make a little top out of this one. Perfect example. This is a cotton poly, has stretch in both directions. In fact, they're all cotton polys. They have stretch in both directions, but they have different textures. So this is a stretch in both directions. It's mostly cotton. It has a little bit of poly. It's kind of a grayish blue color. It's very pretty, grayish green maybe, but it has it's twill. Now it's not a twill weave, it's a twill knit, because these are completely made up. They're not actually a weave, they're knitted into the garment. They're just really incredible. But anyway, so that's the twill. I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that. And then this is a embossed, kind of printed black tone on tone. That'd be great for fit and flare. Just a really good, again, cotton poly, stretch in both directions. This is mostly cotton. This is a Pontoroma wine, beautiful, simpler fit and flare. So all of these are just so that we can see the different styles today. All of them are $14.99. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.